Hey everybody, if you've been to my stream, you know that I have multiple avatars going at the same time. I have Swolbay, which the chat can use to talk through using TTS or other redeems, and then I have Swolkid, who says voice lines after I say stuff. If you are trying to do multiple avatars using VSeeFace, it can be kind of a hassle because you might want to have different avatars do different things. So today I'm going to show you a little bit of software that I made a while back. So here's what you'll need to do to get this program. First, you got to go to coffee.com/swolecat. You will see VSeeFace settings switcher. This is the file that you will need. You can pay whatever the hell you want and you can download it. Then we'll go on to my computer to show you my settings after I've downloaded it. After you have it installed, the side on the right will be empty, but you'll see this side on the left. If you want to save whatever your current settings are, you can just type in a name. I'll just say name and I'll say save current settings. And then you'll see on the right here, it shows up. If you want to start VSeeFace with these settings, you'll click load before you actually run them. And then you will just open up VSeeFace. So for example, if I want to load up my Swolbay version, I will click load on Swolbay. I will middle mouse click VSeeFace, and you will see that it will have all the Swolbay settings, hopefully. Bam. So this has the camera that I use for her. It has the camera settings. It already has the frame rate, the tracking quality, the microphone, and then all I have to do is click start. And you'll also see that I have a couple of other settings for her, like I don't use the iPhone tracking, I don't use the VMC stuff. I also have like Leap Motion turned off for her. And that's pretty much it. This program is really helpful if you are managing a lot of settings for multiple avatars. Maybe you have different skeletons, or maybe you want to have like a full body setting and a webcam setting. It's super duper great. I would highly recommend it. And if this is helpful for you, or you run into any bugs or anything, stop by my Twitch stream and I'm sure I can get you sorted. See you later. Bye.